The glymphatic system mechanically cleans your brain, but how does it actually work? Your brain generates heavy toxic waste, but lacks the standard lymphatic drains found everywhere else in your body. Take this working cluster of neurons. While you are awake, they constantly generate toxic protein waste. But these neurons and their support cells are packed so tightly together that fluid cannot flow between them, leaving the toxic waste trapped in place. The trigger happens when you enter deep, slow-wave sleep. Your brain cells physically shrink, expanding the empty space between them by up to 60%. With the physical floodgates now open, clear brain fluid is pumped forcefully from the arteries through this newly expanded space. This rush of fluid catches the trapped waste and sweeps it into the surrounding veins to be drained out of your head. And that trapped daytime waste from our cluster of neurons, it is washed completely out of the cellular matrix before you even open your eyes the next morning.